2010 GMC Sierra tail light bulb replacement. I use a hood prop to depress the brake pedal to test which lights are bad. We must turn the key on. Phillips screwdriver, 2 screws. Gently pop it out of its place. Rotate the light plug and gently remove. They are in there a little bit, so you'll have to use a little force to get them to pop out. The bulbs we're using are 3047. To create more slack in the wiring, unplug each light connector, like so. This bulb is also bad. See how this one looks? In fact, we should test it while we're here. To do that, I'm going to grab me another camera so I can jump in the rig and safely put it in reverse. You can use your cell phone to do this too. Hey, it's working. Throw the 2 screws back in and we're good to go.
Thank you for watching. If this video helped, please hammer that like and subscribe button.